Welcome to this brief guide on how to use advanced volume controls in Windows 11. If you've ever found yourself sitting on your computer only to have one or two applications suddenly be a lot louder than the rest of your applications, then today I'm going to show you a feature in Windows 11 that helps you take care of this. Here you can see I have both Microsoft Edge and Spotify both open, and I'm actually currently playing a song. So I'm going to use the volume controls in the lower corner of my screen, and selecting the volume control, I can use the slider to adjust my global volumes, such as just dragging the slider along and setting my preferred volume. But this is a global option. While I'm here, I can also adjust my sound output using the option available to me there. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to instead right-click on the volume icon on my system tray, and then I'm going to select the option that says Open Volume Mixer. This is going to open up settings directly to the advanced volume options. At the top, I'll see that I still have those same global options to control my volume and potentially my output device, as well as an option to control my input device should I have more than one microphone attached to my PC. But the section down the bottom that's tagged as apps is the area that we want to focus on today. So here you can see my Spotify application. I can actually use this individual slider and control Spotify and make it lower than everything else on my system. And I can even adjust my system sounds, maybe make those 0. I can even do, say, Microsoft Teams and just adjust it so it's a little bit lower down as well, without affecting the rest of my system. I can also mute apps using the mute icon available to me. And if I click onto any of the individual applications, I can actually manually adjust the output device and input devices on an app-by-app basis. This is great if you'd prefer to have your music coming through your headphones and your Teams call coming through the speakers or something like that. Now I'll close these down, and I'm going to close down Spotify as well. And it's worth noting that some applications will not show up in the advanced app options unless they are actively playing sound. So here I've reopened Spotify, but I haven't pressed play. I'm going to open up my volume mixer again, and what you'll notice is that Spotify is not in amongst the list of applications available to me to adjust. But then I can simply hit play on Spotify, and there it is. And it's also kept the same volume that I had manually set it last time. Now, should I wish to reset any of these settings, I can use the option that's found at the bottom of the apps area and click reset, and this will reset all of my applications back to their defaults, generally speaking at 100. And there we are, both Spotify, Teams, and Edge all back to their defaults. And that is how you use the advanced volume controls in Windows 11. I hope you found this tip extremely useful and it saves you plenty of heartache in the future, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to check out the channel, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.